Hello and welcome to my channel. This is you're going to create a very funny project where the terminal will talk when we don't write anything or we write anything. So first of all, we'd like to start by writing s equals 0. Yep. Then we'd like to write while true t equals input greater than like this. So I would like to write if t equals string colon s plus equals 1. Then I would like to print, open up brackets and write y still. Then we'd like to write a comma and then write bro. Ok. Dot. Yep, and next thing we'd like to write is open up the same type of brackets and write min. Open up new brackets and write s minus 1 3. Yep. Next thing we'd like to do is write else s equals 0 print okay colon and comma and t. So okay guys, let's save it up and let's run it. For example, I press enter here. Why still bro? Okay. So you see guys, if you press enter, it's going like this. So okay guys, this was all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.